These are the easiest 4th of July cookies you'll ever make. Hi, I'm Leslie with Leslie's Cookies and Treats, and if you love decorating sugar cookies or you want to learn how, you're in the right place. Let's decorate together. Need a last-minute dessert idea for your 4th of July party that's sure to impress? Well, these star cookies have got you covered. Just bake up some cookies in your favorite shape, mix up some royal icing that's in a thin consistency that kind of looks like this, drizzling quickly off your spatula. Drizzle in a little bit of blue and red royal icing. It doesn't need to follow any pattern. And then take a scribe or toothpick and swirl it together just a little bit. Grab your cookie and just dip it right down in there. You're going to want to wiggle it around just a little bit to make sure that you get all of the cookie surface covered, and then pull it straight up and shake it off. Go ahead and let it drip until all of the excess icing drips back into the bowl, and then you can turn it over. Give your cookie a little shake to settle the icing down, and you have a beautiful star cookie for the 4th of July. And depending on how big your bowl of icing is, you should be able to dip a couple of cookies before you have to add more color. Just dip, shake off the excess, and flip it over. Give it a little wiggle, or use a scribe or toothpick to settle down that peak in the middle, and set this cookie aside to dry as well. It's that easy, and it's a super great project to do with the kids. It's fun, and you'll have beautiful 4th of July cookies. So add more color as needed, dip, shake off the excess, and flip it over. You can give your cookie a little wiggle with your toothpick if you want, and if you have any areas of cookie that didn't get covered with the icing, just use your toothpick or your scribe to move the icing over. And keep on dipping. It's that easy to create beautiful cookies for your next 4th of July celebration. These cookies are perfect for taking out on 4th of July picnics or to watch the fireworks. So what are you waiting for? Grab some cookies, grab some icing, and make some today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a safe and happy 4th of July. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more cookie tutorials. See you later.